What's going down, people? How you doing? TK coming at you. Just wanted to send a quick message about hopefully something that could be beneficial to others, because I really think about how to be an aid, you know what I mean, how to add to life and not take away from. So when you think about different things that actually could help someone, when I study different things, that's what comes to mind. So this morning I'm studying and thinking about just how you position yourself, because I talk about finances and then I talk about how to position yourself. So the interesting thing that came out of my study this morning is that one thing that should really be known but maybe is not widespread, and that is everything that is without, meaning everything on the outside of you comes from the inside of you. So everything that you create in life starts from what's created inside of you. And in order to create something different, something other than what you currently have right now, you have to change the inside because it's created there first. So that's what came out of my study this morning, is that you really have to focus on changing your self handicaps and change the energy in which you vibrate out in order to manifest different things or better things or different situations. So I try to study from a lot of different sources, be very eclectic in my information gathering. But I swear, some sources are just hard to sift through the information because of the way in which it's presented. And when I present information, I always try to present it from everyday common sense language that is probably Western centric, because I'm from the West. I grew up in California. So a lot of other information sources don't come from that perspective. They don't use everyday language. They don't come from a Western perspective. So when I come at you guys with what I've studied, I try to present truth to you from the perspective of this is common sense, everyday language that hopefully people from a Western point of view can relate to. So the essence of today's message is whatever you manifest starts inside of you. And in order to manifest something different or create a better situation than what you're currently seeing, you have to fix the inside and focus on changing your belief system so that you first think it's possible, then you believe it's possible, and then you follow through with a different vibration that says the belief, the possibility, and the deserving all exist. And then once you're settled in that possibility and accept it to be a reality, that's the energy that you emulate or emit, and that's eventually becomes your reality once you stay persistent in that vibration. So think about your body and your internal belief system as a spark that lights whatever fire you want to project out. So you can spark anything that you want in terms of manifestation, but that intensity in persistence towards the right vibration, the right energy has to be in line with whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. So I'll keep this short, 5 minutes. Hopefully that helps someone And the last thing that I'm gonna leave you guys with is it's easier to do this when you eliminate the physical blocks that the matrix puts on you. And I'm referring to the toxicity that comes from our food. So if you change and minimize that toxicity through detox or through a better live, because I don't like to say die, and I don't know why people propagate die it when it should be a live it. But the diet comes from the fact that the physical matrix is trying to keep all of your energy dead, keep all of your abilities dead. So switch to a live it, minimize the toxicity, and then it becomes easier to channel your energy, also easier to fix your internal broken wings or limitations in belief. And then you can begin to create, because the object is to create. And you have to be in that center, the peace that comes with adding to life, creating, and benefiting the people around you.